Hi, good morning, Jamaica. Now, you know why I love waking up in the morning? Because I get the opportunity to sit with great young minds who inspire me. And you're never too young to make your skill into a job you love. I want you to know that. Coming from Mommy, Sophia Campbell, her children, Naomi and Nathan, are doing just that with their talents. They're, you know, she believes that they must leave this life with a skill, as she had a skill baking growing up. Right, Sophie?
Yes,
How
correct.
are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. Good morning, Naomi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Nathan.
Good morning.
How are you both?
I'm fine.
Excellent. Let's first ask you, Mommy. Your children are absolutely gorgeous. Tell us about your children.
Wow.
Who are they? 'Cause we must know our children.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Naomi is fun-loving. She's always joking around. She speaks her mind. Nathan, he just loves music. Music just oozes out of his body. He loves it a lot.
When did you recognize their innate talents?
Well, for Nathan, he was 3 years old and he went to a concert and he saw 3 girls playing a violin and he said, I wanted to learn to play that.
Wow.
He didn't know what that was at that time.
Right.
He insisted over a period of like 2 years when we told him what the violin was. And I knew Paulette Bellamy, Mrs. Bellamy.
Yes.
I spoke to her and she said she didn't take them until they're 6.
Okay.
But he was 5 at the time. And I told her that I don't think it was a fluke because he was bothering us for 2 years. And he
now
went.
he's doing it.
Yes, he's been doing it for 6 years.
Wow. And how old are you, Nathan?
I'm 11.
You're 11. Talk louder. Remember, say Auntie Empress said, talk up, youth. You must talk very loud.
11.
11. I love that. How old are you, Naomi?
I am 8.
8. All right. So we have the violinist. Is that how you say it?
Yes.
Yes, violinist.
Violinist.
And we have the, you're both entrepreneurs, one in music and one in fashion design. Tell us about your work, Naomi.
I make all kinds of jewelry and they're all handmade.
All handmade jewelry.
Yeah.
Did you make those earrings in your ear?
Yes, I did.
They're gorgeous. And did you make Mommy's earrings?
Yes, I
They're
did.
gorgeous. I also have some pieces here, so I want to just show our viewers before we get a little snippet of the #1 violinist in the world, Nathan Campbell. Jewelry maker Naomi. Check out these pieces. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And you know, I did a session with some children the other day about sensitizing them to being kid-entrepreneurs, I call them, picnic-entrepreneurs, you know?
Yes.
And it's amazing to meet your children. Why did you push them, or why did you support them?
Well, the sky's the limit. I homeschooled them for 2 years, so that gave me the opportunity to see really what they can do. Naomi, she has an eye for colors. She would do art, and the colors, the combinations were just fantastic, you know. And I used to make jewelry myself, and the idea just came. I just bought the beads and just threw them on a towel and just put the colors together.
And she started
and
doing
it's just fantastic.
So
yes.
let's keep going through some of the pieces, because we're seeing her on the camera there, on the screen. Where are you displaying? Where do you set up? How do people purchase? Where is this right now?
I'm at Pastor Jones' house.
That's Pastor
My
Jones'
pastor's
house.
house.
Oh.
At Model Woman.
Yes, I launched a women's group called Model Woman, and she displayed her items there.
I still have that one.
Oh, they're gorgeous. So how much do these go for, Naomi? What's the selling price, lady?
The lowest price is like 5,500.
I like her, you know, to start.
5,000.
This is woman, you know. She's like the lowest prices. So what's the high price now?
$2,000.
How much? Talk, baby. Talk.
$2,000.
2,000? All right. Now, Auntie Empress is going to teach you how to sell. Say, I am Naomi Campbell.
I am Naomi
Louder.
Campbell.
Say, I am Naomi Campbell.
I am Naomi Campbell.
And I am an entrepreneur.
And I'm entrepreneur.
That's right, lady. Clapper, clapper, clapper. Gorgeous pieces sitting right here. Now, why would you bring this for me, Mommy? When you know I love this piece, why would you bring it and say sold on the box? Somebody bought this already?
Yeah, she actually had it as a gift for her principal at school.
Oh, man, I want to know your principal, because I really want this piece. All right, I'm going to buy a piece. You're going to hook me up with something similar, okay? I need you to make me a custom-made one. So she has some beautiful pieces displayed here. I want to just take a moment to acknowledge, we have to wrap in a second, but let's acknowledge your father, because your father is a part of this, right? You watch him smile. Oh, why you love your daddy? And I know he's in the studio. Why do you love your father?
Because he's always there with me when I'm playing.
Oh, Lord. Big up your father, Mr. Campbell. Please play something for us, Nathan. And I know we can book you, right, if we want?
That is correct.
Okay, and give us a contact.
842-9010, that's my number, 842-9010, or Daddy at 789-1498.
Great. So we can purchase pieces, we can have you at events to set up shop, pop-up shops. We can also, we can book the two of you together, right?
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. There's Daddy. Hey, Daddy, you're on camera. Yes. You're a real father, and I appreciate you. I love to see the family together, and I love to see when we draw out the skills and talents in our children and encourage them.
The sky's the limit.
Listen, thank you for inspiring me on how to raise my two.
I'm happy.
I may have a peer too, boy and girl.
Good.
Nathan, please play something for us. Fix your mic. Let me help you. Come, no problem. You're going to stand up to play? Let me fix you up. All right, brother. Anything you do. They're going to play the CD? Let's run it. CD, please. Somebody clap this man. Ooh, ooh, take a bow, son. You are amazing. Oh my God, and our millions and millions of viewers across the world are watching right now on One Salt Media. So I hope somebody books you and flies you across the world and you will play with orchestras and symphonies. You are amazing. Oh my gosh, Naomi, your pieces, I'm so inspired. Everybody, jewelry maker, Naomi Campbell, take a wave, lady, because you are a princess, our entrepreneur and violinist extraordinaire. Nathan Campbell, clap yourself. And Mom Sophia Campbell, and Daddy in the studio. A family that stays together, works together, plays together, prays together. I'm so inspired. More in Smile Jamaica after this break.
Thank you.